Hi, have you been wondering how to become a self-published author in Nigeria with just zero capital? If you are wondering you can't do it, this video will show you simple method on how to do it. Alright guys, welcome to today's video. If you are joining us for the first time, this is Kada publishing class, and I want to specially welcome you because this is our media innovation, the first video we're ever releasing of this kind. And in YouTube channel, we're going to be teaching you how to self-publish without in a country like Nigeria, Kenya, or Ghana. Alright, so if you are in these countries that I just mentioned, you are ride a smooth ride to a successful business journey. All right, I'm going to be showing you step by step on how to start your publishing. We are going to be learning a lot of things. This video is just a guiding video to show you what you'll be expecting in the other videos, subsequent videos that will be coming on. All right, so I want to show you so many things that can help your business. In these videos, we're going to be showing you how you can publish online from Nigeria. Some people think, how can they publish their books and sell online their books online? How can they publish their books on Amazon? How can they publish a book on Kindle? How they can do a lot of things, even on other websites other than um, Kindle and Amazon. We have other websites. It's something that will guide you to really make money, to actually make money. We are also going to be answering lots of questions because we want you to really learn. We are going to be answering lots of questions and all this. And the next thing we are going to teach you, like I said, we are going to teach you how to write your book on Amazon, right? The formatting methods, the style of writing, how to choose your genre or your niche, how to choose what to write. You know, there's so many niches to choose from. There are the children category, inspirational, business, tech, a lot of categories to choose from to write and there are also subcategories to choose from. So we are going to be showing you how to really write your book from these categories. All right, also we are going to be showing you how to make money with your book even while you sleep, right? So sometimes people think that this is automatic. You just put up your book and then you start making money. No, there are so many things to be done for your book to be seen and for your book to um, get exposure and to be sold and to be bought by a lot of people online. So there are so many things we are going to be teaching you. Number one, we are going to be teaching you how to choose your category, how to write your description, how to use keywords, how to use your SEOs, how to use Amazon ads to get sales, what to do and what not to do to get sales. We're going to be showing you a whole lot of things so that you won't miss your steps and so that you can be able to make more money. Because let me tell you, the more exposed your book is, the more money you make. And another thing some people get wrong is that they think they can choose any category because your book is in a motivational niche and you just feel that you can put it anywhere you like and then make sales. But it does not work like that. You have to do a lot of work, and I'm going to show you. Don't worry, it's easy, it's a walk in the park. With us, we are going to show you everything. Kada publishing class is just about helping you to accomplish your goals, helping you to make your business worth it, helping you to make money from your business. That is what we are all about. So we are going to be showing you all this. Now also we are going to be showing you how to write your first book. And then some people think, okay, that you just know how to write, you can start writing. Yes, that is true. Yes, when you know how to write, you can write your first book. But if you don't know how to write still, there are ways you can write your book. We'll talk about how to write with ghostwriters, how to write your books from books that are already written, how to get your book written by yourself. If you are good in writing your book yourself, we'll show you how to do that. Is as walking in the park. There is nothing that you want to do here that is not possible for you to do. All right, because getting your book written by yourself, whether it's by yourself, whether it's by people, ghostwriters, visible writers, whatever kind of writer you want, you can get your book written. And there are also free ebooks you can use. and get what we would advise, we recommend something original is very good. All right, we'll be talking about it in a video. Apart from this video, we'll be sharing you how to write your book. Is a topic on its own, and will not want to just bring it on the surface like that for you. We want to go deep down and show you how to write your book. The next step is how to format your book. We'll have a video also on this, so we are just trying to show you the kind of videos we'll be creating on this channel, so you can, this is an introductory video to the videos you have to be expecting in the next um, in the next um, videos to come. So how to how to format your book. There are ways to format your book. There are ways to format. If you are writing ebooks, there are ways to format it. If you are writing paperbacks, there are ways to format it. So there are ways to format books. All right, so you can have different formats of books. You understand? You can have ways you format your book, and also ways you save your book. Like there are ways that Amazon accepts. Amazon don't just accept any kind extension like doc, PDF, and all this. They don't accept that. There are two methods they accept. They accept EPUB and they accept MOBI formats. So we are going to show you how to upload those books, how to format the books, even your typing, numbers, the point you use, and the points you use, the fonts, whatever you use to make your book look good, how to edit, the different way to format an ebook, and different way to format um, a paperback book. All right, we are going to teach you about that, how to create your self-publishing account. Now this sound easy, but it's not easy, especially if you're from Nigeria. It's not easy. We are going to be showing you how to do that. We are going to be creating a different video to show you how to publish, or how to set up your publishing account for success. You understand? There are publishing accounts that are not set up for success. We are going to teach you that, and that is very important. Apart from that, we are going to also teach you how to set up. There's something called Author Central, Author or Amazon Author Central. Author Central is where you put up your bios, your about yourself. You write about your book. You choose your pen name or your name, whatever. You have your name, you have your pen name, you have your autobiographies, and whatever you are, whatever you have to put up there. There's a way we do it, and we are going to show you on the video. Alright, so we are also going to show you how to write a great description that attract readers. Not every description will attract reader, and let me tell you something. Your description is what makes readers want to read your book. What you give them at the back is what they get. You understand? Like you go to a bookshop or a library and you get a book, you first of all look at the back. I do that a lot. I look at the back to see what is there, and then I will read and know how to get the book. You understand? Whether I like to get the book or not. All right. We'll also teach you how to create a terrific autobio. Very important you have this, because people are going to be needing to know who is behind this book, who is writing this book, what does the person have to offer, what has the person done before, and the rest. All right, and lastly, we're going to teach you how to make money daily from your book. In the next video, we'll be defining what is self-publishing. All right, that will be in the next video. All right, watch out. We are going to be releasing our videos every Mondays and Thursdays. All right, stay tuned. Mondays and Thursdays, there's going to be a release of videos in this channel in every time, so you can subscribe, hit the notification bell, and also give us a thumbs up for our videos. All right, so you can continue getting some notification from us, and also we can also leave a comment below so we can know what you want, and also answer your questions by providing a video that will go along with your request. So let's go on and say, what is self-publishing? You said first we will define self-publishing as a business of taking the book you have written and adding it to a platform where you can get full right or control over the book. All right, so you take your book, you write that you have written, you put it on a platform. Instead of you going to look for, okay, I want to look for a printer that will print 1,000 copies, which you spend almost like 200 to 300,000. in printing. All right, so or even 400,000 in printing. I've seen somebody who printed a book for almost 1.5 million. That's 1,000 copies of a book, and it was something else, honestly. And it was stressful to sell it because some bookshops can't accept it. I understand, and so many other things, you understand, that involve traditional traditional publishing, like getting a company who will endorse it for you, getting the marketing right, getting, and the printing right, getting the editing right, proofreading, you understand. Then you now start thinking of how to market the book, how to go on your own tour, how to do this, how to do that, and time is going, money is being spent, and everything. That's the traditional way of printing, of publishing. But with self-publishing as an online business, it's just like a walk in the park, and you do things with ease. All right, I say self-publishing is also creating your book at a very affordable cost and circulating it online for people to have access to them at a cost, and you can also earn revenues from them. All right, sorry for the typography. All right, you can earn revenues from them. All right, so you have your book, you have it written, you have it well formatted, you have it well outlined, you have it well ready, you understand, for consumption. You understand, you put it online, and people will buying from Amazon, and you are getting. Now let me tell you something before I go. Getting your book sold, there are tactics, and there are tactics in pricing, there are tactics. You don't just carry your book and say, oh, I want to now sell my book online, and then you put the kind of price you like to push people away. No, there is a way we do the pricing, the strategies we do in pricing. I'm going to be showing you all this in the next video, so please stay tuned. Like I said before, hit the subscription button, click on the notification bell, and also you can smash the like button also to tell us that you like what we are doing and that you want us to continue. All right, and also we want you to leave a comment below, tell us what you want to get about the self-publishing platform, or how to start a self-publishing business. Let us know what trouble you are going through, and we'll provide valuable information for you, creating a video that will help you to learn and to understand the business better. All right, I'll be closing this for today. And the next video, we're going to be talking about publishing proper. What is self-publishing? We're going to be giving you insight and real value on what self-publishing is all about. All right, till we meet in the next video, we are still your people at the Kada publishing class. See you in the next video.